They called him a supremacist for mowing his grass too neat.
Windows sparkling in the sunlight, kids playing in the street.
Said he must think he's better than folks who let things go.
But all he did was tend his home. How were they supposed to know?
They called her a Karen when she asked to speak to the man.
Just wanted what she paid for, a little respect in her hand.
They called him toxic for working sun up to sundown, providing for the ones he loves without making a sound. It's the label maker working overtime, turning neighbors into enemies with a single line. Shut the mouth, close the mind, draw the battle line. But we just watch the pattern and let it pass on by, 'cause sovereigns don't wrestle with shadows in the night.
They called her conspiracy crazy for asking questions out loud,
wondering why the story changed depending on the crowd.
called him a denier when he looked up at the sky, said something don't add up here, and dared to wonder why.
These words weren't born in living rooms, they were crafted up above to keep us pointing fingers so we never look up at the glove.
Division by design, energy harvested clean. While we're busy name calling, they're pulling strings unseen.
Yeah, it's the label maker working overtime, turning questions into crimes in the blink of an eye. But what if we stopped wearing the names they supply? We just observe the pattern and let the labels die, 'cause sovereigns don't feed what they don't recognize.
The label maker's running, but we don't answer the call. Just tending our own garden, standing quiet